Hi guys, welcome back to my Ankara YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make scrunchy headband, and these are the materials I'll be using. This elastic band, needle and thread, it's Ankara fabric, scissors. I'll be using tape rule. So guys, to start with, this is the measurement we'll be using. This is 21 inches length and 2 inches width. So you fold, this is the right side of this Ankara fabric. You fold to the right side, you go to your machine, you stitch from this end to this end. So guys, this is it. So guys, I have stitched from this end to this end, and the next thing to do is to turn this inside out. After turning inside out, you go to your pressing iron and iron it flat. After ironing, this is how it looks. So the next thing to do is to pick your elastic. Let's measure. For this elastic band is 8 inches long. We are going to insert this in this Ankara fabric. This is what you do. To this point, you use your pin to hold it down so it doesn't go inside. And we continue. When you are done, I'm going to join it together this way. You can now remove your pin. Then with the help of needle and thread, you're going to stitch this together. When you are done stitching, you cut your thread. Then we are going to fold this inside. You fold the mouth of this end. So you put this other mouth inside of this one. And you're going to run your invisible stitch. When you are done, you tie the thread and cut it out. So we'll set this aside. So guys, this is the next part, and this Ankara fabric measures 16 inches width and the length is 6 inches, 16 inches by 6 inches. So what you be doing, this is the right side of this Ankara fabric. fold it on each other. You will be stitching from this end. You stitch, but when you get to this point, you skip 2 inches. Don't stitch 2 inches, leave this space, then you stitch, continue your stitch, stitch till this point. After stitching, this is what it looks like. I'm going to turn inside out from this space. After turning inside out, you go to your iron and give it a good press. After ironing, this is how it looks. That space is still there, but it won't be showing because you have already pressed it with your iron. So the next thing to do is to pick needle and thread. I'm going to be running stitch from this end to this end. While you are done, drag your thread from this end and this other end. Drag your thread together and tie it. Then cut the thread because I want to use it to join it to this part. So we are going to cover this part with our cover button. This is a cover button skeleton. So with the help of your UA shoe, I'm going to cover it up. Just pick another fabric of your, this is the right side of the Ankara, this is the inside. So you put it on the inside. And you hold it to dry. When it is dry, then you use your needle and thread to stitch. You're going to stitch it to that part where we join the Ankara fabric together, where we join the elastic together. So you put it this way and use your needle and thread to stitch it together. When you are done stitching, you tie your thread and cut it out. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to share to your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.